Colleagues in education, thank you for your work. It is especially important at this time. But I understand that working in education when the UK is seeing a rise in COVID infection rates could be concerning. So I want to give you some reassurance. Beginning with the children, we know that the risk to them becoming seriously ill from COVID-19 is very low. COVID appears to take a milder course in children than in adults, and very few develop severe forms of the disease. Indeed, most infected children present with mild symptoms or are asymptomatic. And observation of schools opening in the UK and other countries has shown little transmission by children, a positive for the school environment. Looking then at the workforce, figures from last term say that there was a very low prevalence of positive tests at 3.8%, amongst the lowest rates of critical workers. And I think that the excellent work which has gone into preparing schools to reopen safely will help to maintain those low rates. It does rely on vigilance, of course. We must all keep our COVID guard up. The risk to yourselves and your colleagues can be minimised by social distancing where at all possible, avoiding close face-to-face conversations, and having a strict regime on good hand and surface hygiene. Applying these measures in all areas around your school, and using face coverings in communal areas if your school's risk assessment suggests it. You will be reassuring your colleagues and can reassure yourself that the risks of COVID infection are small. Your work is so important. I'm confident it can be carried out safely.